Welcome back to ICS 101. Let's take a look at PowerPoint Chapter 4, Greater Project. I've downloaded the instructional document or PowerPoint presentation file that we need to work with, as well as two picture files. Yeah. So let's go to step number 2 over there. And again, I'm going to try to work with it side by side because it's just a lot of steps to do. So it's just kind of easier for me. Step number 2, we need to change this to almost gently. Yeah. And then on slide 2, we're going to do a lot of work with this guy. So I'm just going to make sure that I click on the border around it. Just make sure that I got that, yeah. It says over there, we have to use convert shapes. Now I'm going to make mine bigger because it's kind of hiding a little bit, yeah. So over here where it says convert to shapes, yeah. I'm going to make mine smaller again, yeah. So it says convert to shapes. So that's step 4. Select and sorry, I gotta go ahead and ungroup. So what that does is it takes one big picture and it splits it up to different pictures that make up that one picture, yeah. So it's ungrouped. Then I need to go to align and make sure align to slide is checked. See that? See it's checked. Then it says over there, distribute vertically. It'll look like this. Then we need to go ahead and regroup. Yeah. So that's that. Okay, so what that does is just kind of, gives a different feel to it, yeah. In the new slide 2 over there, okay, like this, yeah. Insert a new slide 2. Yeah. What we need to do is I'm going to click on the first one and I'm going to do new slide, table and content. Yeah. Here, what we want to do is have any great ideas, it says. Have any great ideas lately? Question mark. And then what they want is I'm going to come here and I'm going to insert a new picture. Brainstorming number 1. Then what we need to do is I'm going to right button click here and I'm going to do size and position. And then it says, I'm going to unlock the ratio because it's not going to be the same kind of ratio width and height. Yeah. So we need to kind of uncheck that guy. The height is 6.23, and the width is 4.72. And then the position is 6.18 and 0.64. And I'm just going to pick someplace else, make sure it's there, yeah. And then from the top left corner, you see how it says top left corner? Then what we want to do is we want to get some artistic effects. So in the picture format tab, there's artistic effects. And this is the photocopy, I guess, photocopy artistic style. So the bottom row, second column. So click this. So I'm done with that, and then I'm going to close here. And now I'm going to move to step number 7. So it says animation to this picture bulb. Yeah. So make sure you click on that picture over there. And then I'm going to put in the fade, it says fade, so it fades away. And then here where it says, when click, you have to do after previous. And for a duration of 1.25 and a delay of half a second. Yeah. So what it does is this is how duration is how long it's going to take to really do itself. Yeah. So if you're going to preview over there, it's going to be like this, and there's a delay between that and the next one. Yeah. So we're done with that guy over there. Now on slide 3, this was formerly a Smart Art graphic, so we'll make sure I click on the border of all of it, like yeah. And set it to, do they want to fade over here? Yeah. And after previous with a duration of 2 and a delay of 50.50. Okay, so then we move on to slide 4, it says over there. Step 9, set it a fade. Again, it wants a fade. Click on the picture. Make sure click on the picture. Add the fade. And that one says, and it says over there after previous. Yeah. And then over there, it says over there, slide 4, after a duration of 1.50 and 25. Yeah, slide 4. Okay, cool. Number 10, slide 6. So this one's a little bit different. We're going to be working with the text. So I make sure that I click on the border, make sure all the text is going in over there. Then it says it again, it wants a fade animation. Yeah. It's going to take all of this, going to fade it in over there. Then it said set the effect option to letter. So this one over here, see how it says effect option. Now, if you click on this guy, it doesn't say by letter. So you need to go to the dialog box, the animation dialog box. And here where it says animate the text by letter. Okay. And then again, it's you need to go make sure that you got after previous duration of 1 minute, 1 second, sorry. And then no delay, 0. Very cool. Step 11, moving along. Now, this is kind of interesting. So what they want is they want this top line to be underneath summarize over there. Yeah. So, but they want you to turn on smart guide. So I'm going to need to kind of maximize my table over here because, you know, what happens is it's kind of hiding over there. So I'm going to go to view. And then I'm going to come over here to where it says ruler guideline guide. And I'm going to click on the dialog box and I'm going to make sure that display smart guides when shapes are aligned. So click there. Now what that does is that when you go and click and drag it, it's going to do some lines to kind of show you if you're lined up or not. See how it's lined up over there? Got all the lines on the left and right edge as well as the line in between. Then it wants you to go ahead and turn it off. So I'm going to just uncheck that guy, click on OK. And we should be set for that one over there. So it says, apply the slide into the, oh, sorry. I'm going to make my tables, my presentation. So I click on the top table, flying animation. Line animation, top table. Start with after previous with a duration of 1 second and a delay of 0.25. To the bottom table, they also want to fly in. Yeah, fly in over there. Set it to after previous. And then duration of 1.50. And then the delay of 50. And it said turn off the smart guards, which we already did, yeah? Then it says over there, duplicate slide 8. So you're going to click on slide 8 and right button click, duplicate. And on slide 9, it says over there, replace the content holder. Here, they want you to replace this picture. So I'm going to click on it, right button click, change picture from a file because I downloaded it. And they want brainstorm 2. Yeah. The height is, picture format, the height is 5.82, 8.72 is already there. Horizontally 396 and 0.83. And then it says over there, here, what it has to be over there, they want you to change the words or with a group, comma, always rainstorm, exclamation point. I'm going to get rid of the rest. Yeah. Okay. Then it says for the slide over here, they want you to do the morph transition. So the morph, there you go. So it kind of fades in and out, yeah. Set the transition to advanced automatically. Now, advanced automatically is this guy over here. You need to check this guy off, make sure to hear, and that the time is 1 minute. 10, yeah, with a duration of 3. So 1, 3. Yeah. On slide 1, and here we're going to put in something called a Zoom summary. And we're going to pick slides 2, 3, and 6. Type in, okay, so we're going to come over here and we're going to click on, I'm going to make mine bigger again. Click on the insert tab over here. And then I'm going to make sure I can see it. So on the insert tab, there's something called a zoom. So all kinds of different zooms that you can do. This one is a zoom summary. And they want you to pick slides 2, 3, and 6. It's kind of like almost like a table of contents, really. And it's going to allow you to display these little pictures of these guys here. So 2, 3, and 6, and then I'm going to click here and I'm going to say insert. And I'm going to change the wording here and I'm going to make mine smaller again. So the word, I'm going to close my format shape. I don't need that anymore. And it's going to say here, it's going to be rainstorming. #101. Okay, very cool. Then we're done. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to save it. Now, just for fun, this is what it's supposed to look like here. If a slideshow, from the beginning, yeah, it's going to look like this. And then this is the zoom. Yeah, the zoom here. And then it goes to the next slide over here like this. Yeah, and we're done. Okay. Okay, so anyway, I gotta make sure I save that again. I'm gonna come to my PowerPoint chapter 4. And let's go see how I did. In the meantime, I'm gonna close this guy. Right button click, close that guy, here we go. And then I'm gonna pick a file here, let's go see. Okay, let's go see. How did we do? Ooh, 98%. Let's see, what did I forget? So let's go see if I can make that correction real quick. I forgot something on the slide. On is apply the fade, slide 6 by letter. 10 over there. Now, what did I do? So here we go, PowerPoint. Yeah, and then it said on slide 6. Okay, so here it says slide 6, and that's not with the content. It's now slide 7. Come here, and then I had to shape format. Oh, sorry, animations. Oh, supposed to do to by letter start after previous. Oh boy. Make sure. Start after previous. And then again with and no delay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. So that's what I forgot. I forgot to do this guy. So I'm going to do that. Then that should be fine. So that should make me have 100%. And until the next time, I'll be seeing you.